What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best online home-based business to start in 2019 for beginners. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video because I'm gonna drop in some cool, valuable information for you here today. So make sure you stick till the end so you don't miss out on any important information there. And if you're interested in actually work and make a full-time passive income online with this, get started with your real sustainable online home-based business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I do recommend that you check out right after we have finished this video here. Okay, so first off, what you're going to learn here when we're finished with the video, you will know how to start your own online business. You don't need any previous experience to get started with this. I'm going to show you where to find offers to promote, how to find offers, and actually also I'm going to share with you a few methods on how to promote these offers there. So with the method and the online business that you can get started with, which I consider and many others actually that have started with this, is affiliate marketing. So why? Well, let's have a look at it. A few benefits are that there is low to zero startup cost with this compared to an offline business, for example. You don't need to deal with shipping. You don't have to create the product, no matter if it is a digital or hardware. Actually, this becomes passive because it can work for you 24 hours without you having to sit in an office or something like that. And best of all, with the method I'm going to share with you here, is that you are going to build an online asset, which is an email list. Alright, let's have a closer look at the details here on how we can actually go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to draw a little bit here. You can see here I have already started. We need to have traffic. I'm going to share with you everything here. This is where we need to have an opt-in page. I'm going to explain to you everything here. And here they will see the affiliate offer. Now, I actually prefer this route because this is how you build your email list instead of sending your traffic straight to the offer here. Okay, so I prefer to do this, and that is what I'm going to actually show you a little bit on how it works here. But first, affiliate marketing, you get a commission for just having your link there, and when someone purchases through that link, you will make a commission. Really simple and straightforward. So just to give you a quick idea, this is my site here. I have a resource page, so if you come here, for example, and you purchase, let's say, that you grab ClickMagick, for example, through my link here, you go to the site, you sign up, I will make a commissions of that. Fair enough, okay? So this could be actually one way to drive traffic via your own blog. I don't know you and your skills there. I'm going to show you a few more methods actually later on here. So let's get back to this one, okay? We need to have some kind of an opt-in page, and this is my opt-in page. If you do subscribe and you get, you want to see my #1 recommendation. So basically you are going to give something away for free in exchange for the email address. It can be a video case study like I have here on how I got started and made $420 in less than 24 hours. Or it can be a free report or something that is related to your niche and something that people would really like to have there. And when they opt in, they do that with via an autoresponder that you need, of course. When they do that, they will see the affiliate offer, or if you have your own products there, but I'm going to assume that you are a beginner here and you are starting with the affiliate marketing. So then you will redirect them to the affiliate offer. Now, what is cool with this method is that they will opt into your list, and you are going to create something called a follow-up sequence. Follow-up sequence. So these are emails, which means that instead of sending them straight to the offer here, and we miss that one shot that we have, we are now sending people through the opt-in page right here. Okay, so this means that we have many chances again to actually promote and make a commission there. So a follow-up sequence could be something like this here. You can see this is my follow-up sequence. It should be a mix and combination of valuable content and of course the promotion there also. All right, so let's move on a little bit here. Now, the next thing would be that they see the offer, of course. So how do we find offers? Well, if we go actually to the probably most popular site, affiliate network site for digital products would be ClickBank, where they have thousands of products that you can promote. It totally depends on what niche you're involved in. One of the most popular niches is the Make Money Online, health and fitness. But there is some other cool niches here that you can get involved in. Self-help, for example. So let's say, for example, that we want to actually promote affiliate offers for health and fitness. You can see here what we need to do is sort it by popularity. Gravity is something which is ClickBank's own metrics. Is pretty similar actually to the popularity. So look at this. These are, for example, Heike Diabetes Remedy #1 mega offer for 2019, and you make $32.60 every time someone purchases this. Flat Belly Fix has been very popular for a long time. You can make $40 here, and it goes on. So just go to ClickBank, start the search for products here, and you will find something to promote. Another very popular network, I did a separate video actually on this. I'm going to leave you a link right here below in the description also. You can have a closer look at the details, but it is Amazon. Amazon have millions of products to promote, and so all the niches, no matter what you're involved in, you can definitely find something to promote. What I also like about Amazon is that they do have a 24-hour cookie. So you might promote a camera, someone clicks, watches the camera, but purchasing razor blades, for example, you will make a commission of that too. So that is really cool and nice there. By having a quick look, this was something I showed in that video where I go into detail, the camera, which is very popular. What you can do is you can actually make a video. This is one way that you can drive traffic actually to your offers. So I had a look at it and you can see here that #1 video for doing a review is 374,000 views. So I hope you get the idea here on the power of YouTube, for example, and how you can make money with this. You can see here that this is an affiliate offer. I would still actually do, instead of sending them straight to Amazon, I will still try to find a free guide on, let's say, for example, 10 tips when you install your camera or something like that. 10 tips to be aware of when you purchase a camera or something like that. And then they will see that affiliate offer after they have opted in. Another way could be actually to use Facebook, which is a free method here. By going to, I'm going to give you example for Make Money Online opportunities, and by just going here you can see that there is tons of people that are promoting products every single day. Now be smart, don't just go with your affiliate link here because Facebook might not like it, but write a good compelling copy right here, and at the end just say PM me for more info, or just type more info below here and then send them a private message. I think it's better and much more interesting way actually to make money with it, or let's say instead of interesting, probably more converting way, because people are then really interested in actually buying that product. And when you do a review, for example, in YouTube, I mean, people are actually searching for these kind of keywords that you see here, okay? So this is what I shared regarding the free traffic. Now there is of course more traffic sources. You can actually go for, let's say that we go for PPC, which stands for pay-per-click. And you can do this with video ads, for example, on YouTube, Google ads on Google, Bing ads is another, Facebook ads of course also, but it is a paid traffic, so you need actually to learn all the ins and outs about that. But this could be definitely a great way to get started for free with YouTube videos I shared there, and also of course the Facebook groups there. So that is a great way to actually start your own home-based business, your online home-based business. And as I said in the beginning, I do prefer affiliate marketing. You don't need to hassle with the shipping there. Very low cost. I mean, here you actually more or less need to have an autoresponder, squeeze page, and you can get started straight away. I do recommend that you actually go and sign up for Aweber. There is a free versions of autoresponders also, but I still recommend you to get started with Aweber, because this is number one in my opinion. Actually, I tested this. I've been a solo ad vendor also. I tested all of the autoresponders. Aweber is my number one way. Go to autoresponder there. Alright, there you have it on how you can get started with your online home-based business. To find out more about this, to learn the ins and outs on how you can make a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is actually check out my number one recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you see here at the end screen. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.